Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. Today we have seen the functions of lists and how the lists are written, how to access the list, how to display list elements and all. In this video, we'll be seeing how to actually work on list. Okay. Now here we have taken two lists naming A and B. Okay, as you can see in the screen, A is having 6 elements and B is also having 6 elements. Now I'll add both the lists, okay, and form a new list, that is naming new. New equals to A plus B. So simply by using the plus operator you can combine two lists. Now here I'm writing message print A plus B. Now it will display print new, that means the new list. Now I want to display the the element at index 1, that is the second element in the list. Next, I'm having another list called C equals to 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3. 6, 3 and 7. Now, as I told you, the clear function, it clears all the elements. Now, after you print the list C, it will display empty list. Okay. Then I'm appending number 5 to the list with the help of append function. Then I'm appending 1. Then I'm printing. Now the contents of the list will be 5 and 1. Now I want to sort the list with the help of function sort. So if you sort it, it will be displayed in ascending order. Now I'm printing the list C after sorting. Now I'm sorting the list new also. Okay. Earlier we combined list A and B. We're combining them and sorting them. And now I'm printing the contents of new list. Suppose you want to find length of some string. Suppose the list new. So we can also find the length of the string by using function len. And in the parameter we have to provide new. That is the name of the list. Now let us run this program. See, A plus B equals to the combined new list. Then the element of index 1 is 2. Okay, as the index starts with 0. Now after clearing the list C, it is empty. After appending elements 5 and 1, after sorting, it becomes 1 and 5. And now I am displaying the list new. Okay, the sorted list new. Then the length of the list new is 12. So hope you understood this program. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Thank you.